My friend bought me this keyboard and it is absolutely beautiful. The keys feel amazing and the lights are bright. Great buy, would buy again. The sound of the keyboard is quite good. It feels good, too. The color of the lamp is very distinctive. A keyboard just played a game. It feels good. This keyboard works like a charm. Love the typewriter style keys and the backlit lights. Nice, very resistant material of very good quality, fast shipping, better than expected, thank you. It very good stuff. It very suitable for those people always using keyboard to play game. It is my first to purchase keyboard from this store. I will highly recommend people who use keyboard all the time. Another keyboard ordered from these guys, so many RGB options with single click of a button, media control, fast and responsive keys, all placed well, and this even has a wrist rest. I took one cap out for the sake of click maniacs out there. These are brown switches and I love it. I just love how they're RGB light and crispy click keys. A little confusing at first since it has round keys, but doesn't take long to get used to. Has a lot of different lighting modes with cool after effects like ripples or making the keyboard brighter on the key you press. You can adjust brightness of the lights with a knob on the keyboard, and the knob is also a button you can press to choose different lighting modes. A great purchase for its function and effects. Great keyboard for the price. Does as advertised. Switches are consistent enough to no impose a problem.